morning. Welcome to Wilson Math Channel.
Exercise 4.5, question number 7. Draw triangle ABC where AB equal to 6 cm, angle B equal to 110 degree and BC equal to 5 cm and construct its orthocenter. First, with the given measurements, draw a rough diagram. So, AB equal to 6 cm, the top A, base BC, join ABC, AB equal to 6 cm, angle B equal to 110 degree and BC equal to 5 cm. This is the rough diagram. First we have to draw. For real picture, real diagram, BC equal to 5 cm. First you make. Then fix the protector, base and BC line, both it has to coincide. Then angle CBX equal to 110 degree. From right side 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Keep point, draw straight line. This is 110 degree. We'll get like this. Then BC 6 cm. In compass, take 6 cm, compass needle at the point B, then make arc. This is point A. Then join A and C. So draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements. So first step is over. Then next what we have to do? We have to draw altitude from A to BC, opposite side. So take certain measurement, keep the compass needle at the point A, draw one arc right side of BC, one arc left side of BC, the same measurement. You'll get like this. Then the same measurement, keep the compass needle at this point, cut one arc down. Then with the same measurement, keep the compass needle here, cut another arc. You will get like this. From here one arc, from here another arc. Now A and this point, you join it. That is the altitude. Construct altitude from A. From A we had drawn altitude. This is altitude from A to BC. Altitude from the point A we finished. Then next from the point B we have to draw altitude to the opposite side. So from point B, take certain measurement, cut one arc right hand side, one arc left hand side on the AC side. You get like this. Here one arc, here one arc from the point B. Then from this point one arc, from this point another arc. You will get like this. Now join this. So this point and the point B and extend it. This is extend the altitude. So construct altitude from A and B. First we have drawn altitude from A. Now we have drawn altitude from B. Both meet at this point. So the point of intersection of the altitude H is the orthocenter. This H is the orthocenter. What is our question? Draw triangle and construct its orthocenter. H is the orthocenter. Quick review. First rough diagram we have to make it. Then here main picture. How to do? First draw the triangle ABC with the given measurements. First we had drawn the triangle. Then draw altitude from the point A to the opposite side BC. And BC is here. So extend the line, BC line. You will get altitude like this. This is altitude from A to BC side. Similarly, from point B to, from the point B to the opposite side AC, we have to make another altitude and extend this. Where both the altitude meet, that is point H, that is the orthocenter. Very easily we can finish this and we can get it 8 mark within 8 minutes.
If you like this video, subscribe it, like it, press bell icon for more videos.